Hi, good morning. Just wanted to do a little video, both Cougars. So this one is mine. I've modified it, gotten it ready, basically to take to the track and have fun with. This one over here is the new one I just got. It's pretty much all original. These are both tribute cars. They're not true eliminators, so me doing the work on this. I know if it was a real eliminator, people would be outside my house with pitchforks. So just kind of wanted to show the difference between a stock unmodified Cougar and what I have going on with mine. So first thing, the stance. So lower, smaller wheels. I think the stocks are 15s. And then the interior, I mean, you're talking a 53-year-old car now, and I still love these interiors. So this one's really clean. Really like it. But in comparison, you have my one that I've modified it, changed the dash, added carbon fiber. I've got all new gauges in it, my boost gauge, my fuel ratios, did my racing seats. So I still have the original seats, so if I go on a long drive or something, I'm not going to want to sit in these, even though they're comfortable. The driving position is made more for racing and drivability of it. But mine is sitting on 18s right now. I have smaller 15s, but with the power that I'm running, I just can't have those stock wheels. So back end is a little bit different. Mine, of course, has the turbos underneath. So this is all a self-built kit. And put a lot of time and effort into it to get it running right. Not a lot of people have done them, especially on a classic, so you know, something unique, something new to do. I've got the wheel woods on mine, upgraded suspension, but it was all just to make it a good driver. Comparison between the motors. Mine's a 408 Cleveland stroker, scat forged internals, stock heads, but they've been ported out, flowing a lot higher. I have the quick fuel E85 carb. It's a blow through for the turbos. Actually going to be changing it out today and trying the FI Tech. I did the Holly Sniper when I first got the car and had nothing but issues with it. So probably a quality control thing, but we're gonna see how the FI Tech does. And with this one, more original, whoever had this before that was working on it, they even went with the Ford hoses for it. So they were trying to do a complete restoration for it, but it's pretty clean, drives good. But there's something about seeing the clean motor. I went through here and repainted it, moved all my hoses, vacuum lines, my wiring all inside the fender. So I have it going through the back there, coming out, so it's a lot cleaner. But I'm running Frostbite electric water pump, electric fans. I did the CVS racing brackets for the alternator and power steering. But if you guys have seen a few of the videos of the engine build, it's pretty in depth with everything that I've done to it. I'm very happy with both these cars. It's always kind of unique to see the difference between something stock and then something modified, especially side by side. I think that's a unique thing of being able to compare the two, of what it was and what it's become. This, for anyone wondering, my trunk is not messed up. It's just open because I have a manually operated oil shutoff valve. So once I run it, I go back there and pump the system dry and then close the valve. So that way I don't have any leaks. Hope you guys have liked it so far.